excited to show you how to make huevos rancheros today. I hope you're having a wonderful evening or day, whatever you are, and thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get it started. I'm going to show you the ingredients, and these are diced tomato. I have about 4 small Roma tomatoes, and I have a small white onion diced, and I have minced garlic. It's just 1 medium minced garlic, and I have a 1 jalapeno chopped and seeded, salt, pepper, 2 eggs, queso fresco to put on top of our huevos rancheros. I have my corn tortillas, of course, and I have bouillon, chicken bouillon, and I have my oil, which is very important. I like to use avocado oil. It's just my preference, but you can use any type of oil except olive oil. It will give a little bit of a different taste that it won't be good for this specific meal that we're making. Okay, first thing, put your pan in a medium height and then pour about, let's say, I'm measuring as I'm pouring it, depending on how big your pan is, because you want it to cover the tortilla, kind of, because we're gonna fry the tortilla. So let's say I put 3/4 of a cup, and then once it's hot, then you add your tortilla and you let it fry for a few minutes. Now we're finishing the tostada. For our huevos rancheros, I just lightly toast the tostada or the tortilla, or fry it in the pan with the oil. And now we're gonna turn the pan or the heat to low so that we can do or cook our sunny side eggs. And we'll cook the eggs. A little bit of salt and pepper. Everyone has their own style to make sunny side eggs. I like to move them around. Put some hot oil on top. And that's just the perfect way for me, right here. We're gonna put our egg. And we're gonna put our egg on top of our tostada, just like that. So we can cook the last ingredients. Two tablespoons of oil on a medium heat. This beautiful sliced tomato is going to go in the onions, in the jalapenos, but we have in order. Well, actually, I have in order. And it's very important. A lot of people think that just mixing all the ingredients together is going to give you the same product in the end, and I found myself that's not. For some reason, our grandmas and mothers teach us how to make it the way they make it so that it'll taste just like their dish. So we're gonna put the onions first. Let it cook for a little bit. I love spicy food. But if you don't like spicy food, then you can skip this part. Even if it's deveined and seeded, sometimes it could be spicy a little bit. You can put a bell pepper instead, and it'll be just fine. So now that we toast our sliced onion, then we're gonna put salt, a little bit of pepper, our garlic, jalapeno, and we're gonna stir. Oh, smells delicious. Now we have the tomatoes. We're gonna go in there. We're just mixing all these ingredients together. Look what a beautiful colors. This dish is very colorful, very tasty, simple ingredients, really easy to make. My husband loves Huevos Rancheros. So all the juices of the tomatoes are starting to come out, and we are going to put our chicken bouillon. Teaspoon is perfect. Stir it a little bit more. So now that you stirred it and you mix all the ingredients, we're just gonna put the lid on and let it steam for a couple of minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we have our salsa done. We're gonna take the lid off. And as you can see, very juicy. I am going to pour this salsa straight on top of my eggs. As you can see, this salsa was enough for maybe another 3 more eggs. And now we just have to decorate it, which I love to put queso fresco or queso cotija on top. You can use any type of cheese you like. This is just 2 of my favorites. And then you can use your imagination. You can make it as if it was enchiladas. Put a little bit of cream if you like. It will be just perfect. I love lemon or lime. It doesn't matter. So I would just put some lemon on top of it and eat it with some fresh radish. I love radish. This is how I will eat it if it was me eating this plate back in my country. I love cooking, and I just love simple, delicious food. And that's what my mother, my grandmother taught me when I was a little girl. And I'm just so grateful that I can show you this and that I can tell you, you can do this. This is so simple. It is so delicious. and anyone can do this. So I encourage you to try the recipe, and if you have any questions, please comment. I love hearing from you, and I will be making more videos for you. But thank you for watching this time, and I hope that you can enjoy this wonderful new recipe in my channel. I love you all. Have a wonderful evening or night. Thank you. Bye.